You mentioned that you kind of enjoyed the fact that this was a complete departure. I know it's happened a couple times earlier in your career, but if you had to pick out your iconic stuff when you went away from sort of what you were known for and you did something different, and
I mean, Prahar, when I worked with Nana Patekar in his movie. It was like you say, sans makeup, nothing. There was, and that was right in the middle of when everything else was going on, like Tezab ke baad, like all the films that I did after Dil, Raja, Beta, everything was going on. Then I did this Prahar, where I play, you know, her boyfriend was in the military and he dies, and now she is left alone, and
but
that kind of.
what prompted you to take that?
See, because I'll tell you very frankly, when we were growing up, my dad used to read the newspaper and decide which film to watch. So we have grown up watching Shabana Ji, all those kind of films,
Oh, got
art
it.
house films, which were art house at that time. Now, so everything is like a blur. But
Right.
at that time, it was, commercial films and art house films. So we were doing this. I mean, we used to watch all these art house films, like Nishant and all these
Yeah.
movies.
Yeah.
So we grew up watching that. Bhuvan Shom. We grew up watching that, but we were also watching commercial cinema like Amar Akbar Anthony, which I really enjoyed, and of course Chaya Geet, where all the songs used to be on TV. So I think I grew up appreciating both kind of cinemas, and that's what happened with me when I was offered Prahar or when I was offered Mrityudand, because that is the kind of cinema I had also enjoyed and appreciated. So I wanted to do it.
Got it.
Even though like I was known to be a commercial actress and commercial films, dance, drama, this, that, everything. But here it was like completely different. Even for Prakash Jha to cast me, it was a different thing. When he came to me and he narrated the script to me, and I was like, yes, I want to do this. And everybody was like, you're a commercial actress, cinema actress. You cannot do this. It's
At that time, it was considered
yes,
death.
yes. At that time, it was considered like, oh, you're going to be without makeup and blah blah blah, and I said, but I love this character. I want to play it. It's so empowering. It's about women empowerment. It's about what's happening in the society today. It's about that, and I want to do this role. And I did it because it was zid for me. For me, I
Got it.
love doing it. So I think that is why I've always, for every like whatever Dil Beta or whatever, there was a Prahar or a Mrityudand or even Anjam to a large extent, which was like a very, very violent film, I would say, for its time. But it was something very different. Or even a
Got it.
Prem Pratigya, in which I played a Dabbe Wali, like, you know, and
See, I could never shoot that. There is no way in hell.
And Bapu Garu never said that she looks too glamorous.
The great frickin' Bapu, my God. He must
Yeah.
have thought that every day in his head. What have I done? Why did I even go? Chance ही नहीं है. I mean, you dabbe wale.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah, you
MD.
should see
There's
the movie. It's just so good. It
no
did so well. It did so well. And so I think that's what makes me do. I love to do this kind of thing. Even Majama was a very different film for me to do. And especially for someone from commercial cinema, who's known to be like, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, kind
Correct.
of, and then
Correct.
to do a role like Majama was very, very different for me. So I like to do these kind of, it challenges me, to do something and be those different characters.